Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring accounts are ready and secure. Sign into your Epic Games account and confirm the email. Enable two-factor authentication so changes are protected. Once done, gather the child's platform account details, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, or Epic on PC because you'll link them next. Make quick decisions now. Pick daily playtime blocks, whether voice or text chat is allowed, and if in-game purchases need your approval. This front-loading saves time and prevents backtracking later. You now access the Epic Games account settings and go straight to parental controls. Create a secure 4-digit PIN and store it safely. Once in, toggle chat and friend request permissions depending on maturity. Blocking voice or text is immediate and effective. Then set daily time limits and specific playable hours so sessions end automatically. Finally, enable the purchase PIN and block or limit game modes and content ratings. You finish by linking the Epic account to the child's console or PC, sign out and sign back and so settings sync. Once linked, test with a short play session. Check that chat is blocked if chosen and that purchases prompt the PIN. Make sure playtime enforcement triggers at the set end time. If settings fail to apply, clear the console or browser cache, relink accounts, and restart the device. Those steps resolve most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.